Hi guys, so today we are here for 3 look 1 palette. This is not a new palette, actually. This is the Jackie Aina palette from ABH. I know this was released a lot of time ago, but I didn't was doing my YouTube channel at that moment. Now I'm doing a project on Instagram that is a 1 week 1 palette, with the aim to do about 3 to 4 looks with the same palette during the week. I keep 3-4 days off just to use different palettes to create different content. So this is the Jackie Aina. I know everything is raving about this palette. I think I'm the only one on the YouTube that doesn't like this palette at all. This is not inspiring at all for me. I think that the color scheme is not the best for people with a fair skin like me. I love this shade called Sponsor Red. This is a duochrome. It has some blue, green shift and brown. This is a very beautiful shade. I also love the reds, Vigales. This is an unusual shade I have on my eyes today, but all the other shades are very dark for me. There is no transition shade. This one is the only one I can use, but it's a very warm gingery brown. And the pinky side of the palette, this pink called Supreme, is very dark, so it's not the best for me. I'm looking very pale on camera, actually. I assure you I'm not. Yes, I am, but I have a little bit more tone. The other shade, this shade taken by themselves are good. The composition of the palette, it's a little bit difficult for me. However, the looks I did, and you will find 3 of them next. The look I did, they are very nice, I guess. Even a little bit too dark for me. I don't know how to say. Yes, so if I would ever think to declutter a palette in my collection, I think this one should be one I will declutter, just because I don't deserve her so much love as all the beauty community does. I haven't done in these 3 looks a video with this shade called Dwellers. This is the goldy shade. Don't know why. I don't like this tone of gold. Okay, you can see it very well actually, but it's a little bit, I don't know. I prefer more jewel gold tone. So I hope you however enjoy. Oh, what's on my face? I have some new stuff on my face today. I have always the same Huda Beauty foundation, toned a little bit darker with this one, even though you can't see a little bit dark. The Bobbi Brown primer, the Nabla brow pot, the Kiko concealer. What else? Okay, my eyeliner, pencil eyeliner in the waterline. I have the new. Where is my powder? I don't know. Maybe I put it down. Okay, I use. This is no more the Perfect Lava Art, the Perfect Stay Lava Art, but this is a mix of different powder I have, loose powder I have. So this one. Then I use this bronzer from Glam Shop. I don't know the names because the name is printed on the back of the pan and not on the back of the container. This is a very light, not the bronzer, maybe it's just a contour shade. This is the light. The lightest one. I have this highlighter from I'm not sure This is an highlighter, or this is considered a powder. This is from Hourglass, and it's called Luminous Light, but for me it's not. It's too luminous to be a powder. So I've used this as an highlighter. My blush is always the same from Shiglam. I think I will use okay, today is what day is today? It's Thursday. I will use up to Sunday and then change it. And my mascara from Shiglam, and I'm wearing falsies, magnetic falsies from Vilici. Vilici lashes. These are available on Instagram. And I think, oh, my lips is from Catrice Matte Lover lipstick pencil. This is from Catrice HD Active Performance Freezing Spray, and that's it. I hope you enjoy the looks and see you soon. Bye guys.